Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Robinhood. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in robinhood.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Robinhood website. Now right from the homepage, you can click on the sign up button at the top right corner to sign up and create a new account. Now, once you're in the sign up page, you will be asked to enter your credentials. Type in your first and your last name, followed by your email address. After entering your email address, type in your desired password and then click on the continue button. Once you click on continue, you will be taken through the rest of the sign up process, which includes entering your phone number and your address. So type in your phone number and then enter your address, followed by your apartment, building, and your city, state, and zip code. Then click on the continue button once again and you will receive a verification code within your phone. Just check your phone inbox to find the code and then enter this code within the next screen and click on the sign up button, and now you will successfully be signed up to your very own account on Robinhood and you can start using it right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Robinhood. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.